When I first started, people were always like, oh man, you use so much sound, so much music. Isn't it a bit vulgar? And I'm like, yeah. I like the vulgarity of it. That's the point. You know? The new comes into being via this pathway of vulgarity. So I don't have a problem with vulgarity. Okay, so this is an important point. I think it's either that guy or that guy. One of them has a GoPro.
Yeah, on top of the hole.
Yeah.
I saw that. Okay.
Anyway, just to say that his picture might be completely rubbish, but he will have, there's some sound on.
I have seen this.
Yeah, that sort of thing. So, see, that's pretty close to where you were just there. I'm interested also in just the conversation between noise, not just music, but noise. In the ways in which noise suggests direction for images.
Cast down your bucket where you are.
One of the things that I learned very early on is that there are kind of sonic ways of knowing the world, which are as important as all the other ways. As a young black kid growing up in this country, you'd go to one of these nightclubs where they'll be playing, let's say, dub. And, you know, over the course of 2 hours, there'll be you and a group of people, and you will literally discover each other in that music. The music will license these recognitions that are not speech. They're not about what you say to each other at all. But I'm also really interested in the redemptive possibilities that music offers. My first or second year of university, I'm standing by a window, not really feeling great, listening to BBC's Radio 3, and suddenly this music comes on. And it literally reconfigures my world. And it's by an Estonian composer called Arvo Pärt. Because the music said, you are in this space, and it is possible to occupy this space differently, and I'm going to tell you how. And it did. You know, in the course of 16 minutes, a new music composition changed how I saw time. You know, and by implication, myself in it. So I have profound investments in the sonic, which comes across in the work. But I was part of a group that saw itself as a sort of audio, acoustic, experimental outfit. I used a lot of music because I liked the knowledges they implied, and I wanted them to give me something that I can use to talk to narrative or stories or histories. What changes over the years is the range, or the stuff, you know. So, you know, initially music concrète, and then classical pieces, operatic pieces. Now more and more folk forms. The forms themselves and the range of uses change, but the investment in the sonic is as long-lasting as the investment in images. That's not going to change.